Hey guys, and I'm back with another video, and I was trying to get Screencast-O-Matic on there. Sorry about that. Say hi. I'm recording. Sorry, I haven't been recording in a long time. My recording screen was not working. For some reason, I have no clue why. But now I'm back, so yeah, that's good. Why isn't anybody moving? Look at my den. I hate how I say den. It's like so weird. It's like den. But whatever. I'm watching Cookie Swirl C, and she's doing this F and AF blind back, so. Okay. Oh my god, why is it so laggy? Okay, whatever. Why is everybody so laggy? Laggy. Sorry, I'm very stupid. That was really bad. I don't know what I was singing. If you had headphones on, turn down your sound right now. Do it right at the beginning. You got band. Wait, let me see. Jam. What's Sherman? He is banned from HHQ, and that's good. Or QWERTY. I don't remember voting you, and I don't even know you. I'm gonna keep him, because then he's gonna like say, "Hey, why'd you unbody me?" Oh, she just went off. Oh, Swag Girl 129. She has a sister named Mad Dog, but she unbuddied me, I think. Let's see who's at there then. So you're not. This is my twin sister in Animal Jam. I don't know why she's a boy. Here, I'll show you her. I used to look like whatever loads. I used to look like, see if she sells a wolf. Oh my god, she got rid of our wolf. I think this was it. Yeah, but now she looks like, what's her? Slushy2151. Oh my gosh, why do you look so much like? I think Cat Meow. I'm a kitty cat, and I mew 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 mew, and I mew mew mew. Say hi. I'm RECORDING. I don't know, like, say hi. I'm recording. Oh my god, why is everybody not at their den? Oh, you Teddy Bear 00200 got a new wolf, yay! Because I love her wolf, it's so amazing. And she also has the magenta, so yeah. It's not because I'm buddy her, because she's really actually really nice to me, so yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go see what Teddy Bear's doing. I think she's at Jamal Township or at somebody's den. Let's see what's going on today. Oh, come on, load. More Verity equals more fun. Join the club today. Sorry, I can't join because I have no money right now. And my parents won't buy me a membership. I really want one. I don't know what we're going to be doing. I guess I'll just go spy on my buddies. Just kidding. I don't like doing that. That's mean. I hate when people spy on me. It's weird. Oh, speaking about spying, someone, like a couple of wolves and a seal kept on, like, following me. It wasn't, like, any man or anything. These people kept on following me. They're like, want to be my buddy? And they're like, here, here, here. And then they started doing evil faces. And I was really scared. So I just buddied them and then they left me alone. So I don't know. I don't have a clue what was going on. No, where the heck is, oh, teddy bear. How's your wolf look? Oh my god, it looks naked. I'm sorry. It is, that's true. Why is this so slow? Oh my gosh, I can't even go anywhere. I want this. Okay, there was this game called Chicken Smoothie, and I've never tried the game. Maybe I logged on once, and then it wasn't working at all. So I remember I was going on it because Pepper was doing a live stream, and I got on, but it was too laggy. I don't know what happened. I don't think I barely played. I think I just wanted to go on to see if you could actually trade or something. I don't know what happened. I'm going to go to Jamal Township and I'm going to play games to get money. I play the clarinet. That's good for you, person. Smarty Pants 77. Oh my. You have. Oh my gosh, when I look at non-members, I see how like rare they are, and I'm thinking that's pretty good. I could never get like that. I mean, like if you look at a member, look at this person. No, I don't want to go to the gym. Okay, I like your username though. Then like you just like look and you're like, oh my gosh. Hi, do you want me to work for you? Hi, Polar Bear. How you doing? I like your user. I can't click on it. I love Puppy Zero. Oh, I love your username. Sorry, I'm biting everybody. No trusty charity Miga. Who's this? Who's this? Jesse247. I like your user. Can't join the Forgotten Desert. Join. Host your own parties on the party lesson. Parties feature exclusive items cannot be found anywhere else. Rare donut zone. Let's go to the rare donut zone. Good egg of I thought there was more. I was like, that's all I get it. I see so many people. Like, oh my god! She just. If my den was like this, I would have cried. I'd be on the epic dens list. Besides the sale thing. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh, I didn't get logged out. Let's see how many more minutes I have. Oh, I should end the video right here. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna be leaving. Where's everybody gone? Sorry. Say bye. I'm ending recording. Or don't. Bye. Say bye. Whatever. Say bye. I'm ending. REC. Say. Oh my gosh. Well, bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Totally. Bye.